Camera Roulette, Episode 3. So again, hi, hello. I have 53 working cameras and nagamit ko na yung dalawa sa episodes 1 and 2. So we have 51 more cameras on the list para makapag-practice ako ng photography. Okay, again, still using the randomizer. Let's select our camera number 3. Yashika Hello Kitty. Tagal ko nang hindi nagamit to. And in fairness, itong Hello Kitty, ito yung parang pinaka-moody out of all the Yashika cameras that I have. This is the Yashika Hello Kitty camera. Sobrang cute niya, very pink. So tara, let's take some photos.